pair of size 13 skates here. We're putting 2 extra copper rivets in. So over here I normally have 6 in the back and they got busted out, so bored a hole in there. There's a Blademaster Copper rivets in the burr. This is the burr, that's the rivet. And I'm putting in an extra, instead of 6 in the back, I'm putting 8 because this one just came off. So those 3 there are new. This comes in from the inside. You take the insole out and you use a rivet machine, sink it down. That's a press fit in there. And you cut it off within 1/8 of an inch and then you peen it down. So I bored some holes in here. They're about an 1/8 inch hole. And this has got a 312 holder. It's a size 13 skate. It's a big old skate. Tends to get abused. So I'm going to put an extra set in there just for kicks. See if that works. And there's the, they actually make, I think they make 2 different size of rivets. This is just the ones they've got in stock right now. And there's a holder for Gus Pro holder. And there's the one hole. And the other one's down under there that I've bored. Okay, so for clarity, that's a press fit in the sense that the burr will not fit on here. When you press it down, it's tight on the rivet. Then you peen it over, you cut it off and peen it over. So they're all one length, so you have to cut off a bunch.